My name is Brett Whitehead and I'm currently studying games technology. My project is implementing highly detailed assets into a virtual military simulation. Originally I was tasked to create a couple of assets to be put into the simulation. One was a combat engineered vehicle which was called the Terrier, a typical digger on steroids really, used to clear mines, dig huge trenches and things like that. And the other one was a CVRT Sultan, which was essentially just a people carrier. I created the 3D models for them, and then my task was to place them into Virtual Backspace 2 for testing them in actual military training simulations. I created the assets in Blender and textured them with Photoshop and a plugin called Dido. I had questionnaires set out for those who actually conduct these simulations, and then from their opinions they could test whether or not the assets created would have been more beneficial or just as or less than what already exists. I was inspired to do this project because I was always interested in creating hard surface models and just generally creating 3D assets in general. I wanted to do something that would steer away, if I could, from programming, as I pretty much want to focus just on the graphical side of games design, such as animation, modelling, texturing, and so on. I like making things. There are a range of ways this could benefit the sector, one being that if highly detailed assets did prove to be very beneficial in military simulations, it would create another opportunity for more work to be open in the future. More funding may be put into that as an area for growth for 3D artists and such, and it would also just generally benefit the actual effectiveness of the missions themselves. Yeah, I've got my portfolio at brettwhitehead.co.uk.